Somebody wanna say hey to y'all? How's everybody doing on this marvelous day? As you can see, today I'm giving you hot sauce, baby. I feel like a bottle of hot sauce, baby. Baby, yes, honey. But today we are going to be doing something a little different. And before we start with this video, I really just want to say sorry to my mom because I never meant to hurt you. And I never meant to make you cry. But tonight, I'm cleaning out my closet, mama. Today we are going to be cleaning out my closet. I thought, 2020 is right around the corner. You don't need spring to spring clean. And I'm about to be 21 December 29th. So let's cheers to that. And I'm ready to just start fresh. Get rid of these old clothes and just get new clothes and just start fresh. So in case you guys don't know, this video is sponsored by Poshmark. Guys, download Poshmark right now using the link in my description box and shop from my closet right now from your favorite brands. It's literally that easy. Also, you guys, Poshmark is the easiest way to sell items from your closet. You can also find amazing deals and shop from thousands of brands literally from just being on Poshmark. They have luxury brands available at affordable prices. So if you guys would please share the items that you get with me on your Instagram and just tag me. And if you guys want to download Poshmark, the link is in the description box. It's super easy, super affordable, and you can just start making money by just selling clothes from your closet that are just sitting there. How easy is that? What? Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Somebody wanna say hey to y'all? So this is my first outfit. Yeah, I'll be right back. He's literally my happiness. Like, you guys been asking me, what is that glow going on with me? And it's just my nephew. He's so unexplainable. I love him so much. Now, you guys know how we do it. We take our pictures on Instagram and we never wear it again. It's the sad truth. I actually did a photo shoot in this and I never wore it again. And I love this dress, but it's really tight on me and I don't really want it anymore. So, yeah. My second item that I'm selling is this fur coat. You guys probably seen this fur jacket before. I wore it before multiple times and it's actually my first fur jacket and I love it so much. It's so comfortable, it's so easy to throw on. I remember this one time I actually wore it to school and it was like so amazing wearing it to school. I was so comfortable the whole day. So yeah. Okay. So the third thing that I'm selling is this jumpsuit. Now this jumpsuit has just literally been sitting in my closet. I wore this one time in my video shoot for Heartbreak Hotel No Vacancy. And then after that I never ever wore it again because I was like, I don't know what to wear this again with. I couldn't really find no shoes to wear with from the beginning with of it. So I'm just thinking like, So now we have this little one piece. Now this is my favorite little one piece to just throw on when I'm like around the house or if I'm just running up to the store real quick. It's really cute. Now I'm selling this only for like $10 because it's really cute. I call it my slay to your hair turn gray one piece because it's gray and it's just so cute and simple and it's not really too much. And I've been really in my simple bag. Like I really like simple stuff. So this is my last item. This dress, I got it a while ago and I wore this to Chicago for Anna's birthday and it still smell like my perfume. Is so good. And it's so really cute. I'm really obsessed with like dangly clothes, like as you can see. Like I really like to shake it like a sauce shaker, so I really like clothes like that. It's really dainty, like anything like that. I'm really into it. But recently, just clean out my closet. It has to go. And there's gonna be many more clothes that has to go. This is just a start. I have so many clothes that I have to give away because the new year coming up, we starting off fresh. If you guys really just would like to get any of these items, use the link in the description box and go to my Poshmark. My name on Poshmark is itsbambii. Just guys, please check out my account on there. It's really easy to use. It's literally set up like Instagram, so it's like pretty easy. Like they literally have stories on there and everything. Like it's super easy to use, super easy to sell, like, and you can literally just be making money by just sitting in your house selling your old clothes just like that. And so yeah, if you guys want to download Poshmark, use the link in the description box. Thank you guys for all the support, and really thank you for watching this video of me cleaning out my closet, because it's really a good thing to clean out your closet sometimes, to just get out of those skeletons and to just get rid of old clothes. Because recently I just been at this dark place. I've been at this really dark place, and I haven't been knowing what to do with myself. What is it that I want to do to make me happy? And one of the things that have started is by just selling these clothes, by just going out and just going to my closet, picking out what I don't want to wear. It's like I'm getting rid of the toxics, if you guys know what I mean, like within. Like it's more deep than getting rid of clothes. Like I feel like I'm letting go of baggage, because you know, when we buy an outfit, we wear it, and then sometimes we never wear it again, and we just want to hold on to it forever. But why not sell it for a good, reasonable price? And somebody else could be slaying too. And that slayage is just going to waste. It's just sitting in your closet. You already slayed in it. Let somebody else slay it. And then some of these clothes I haven't even worn in my closet. So I have to do a part 2 video, because honey, we gotta get into it. But I'm sorry that I'm just really just rambling on. But I'm gonna see you guys in my next YouTube video, and hope that you all remember that if you are not slaying, then what the are you saying? And slay it till your hair turn gray. And I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. And I love every single one of you guys. And peace out. And don't forget to download Poshmark. And thank you, Poshmark, for sponsoring this video. And I'm out. I'm out of here. Money 3,000. Money 5,000. Slay into your hair, turn gray.